Now this is the 20-gallon bag. Whew, Lord have his mercies. I should have got this out of there. So you see, it's pretty dead. And this was the ones that were planted on my neighbor is getting their grass cut. You can hear. These are red Nolans that were planted on 318, and it says that I have 5 in here, which means I have 3 at the bottom or 4 at the bottom and 1 in the middle. I always look at other gardeners and I always see them pull up their potato plant, and the potatoes are attached to it still, and it's like a whole bunch of them. Is like, I was like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. It looks like a nest. So we have some good size, and we have some, we gonna roast you. We have some pretty good size. I think we got about 8 good size. I have my bathroom scale out here. I hope it works, because I have never weighed the produce that I grow. Last year the the harvest for potatoes, I mean, it wasn't great, but it was good enough that I was able to can potatoes and everything. But why I want to weigh this is because last year I was not growing organic. I was using synthetic fertilizer. This year I'm using strictly organic fertilizer and only giving my plants that granular fertilizer when I plant them in the beginning, and using liquid fertilizer. And the liquid fertilizer, the only thing that I did not make was the fish fertilizer, because if I did, I would light up this whole subdivision. This whole place, this whole place will be lit. Okay, so that's the only thing that I used this year that I did not make. Everything else, all the other fertilizer, it was strictly stuff I made. Banana peel fertilizer, the comfrey fertilizer, the compost tea fertilizer, all of that. That was it. That everything I made myself, right? And to be completely clear, I also used the AgroThrive in the house, but I didn't use it on potatoes because, you know, they're seed potatoes. They're seed potatoes. And I went to put bloom on my potatoes, and I didn't realize that bloom was not organic. Because, you know, okay, I'm talking too much, but I just want you guys to understand where I'm at right now. But you know, when you're like paying attention to the ingredients on the food that you're putting in your body, so that transitioned over into my growing of my vegetables also. So by it transitioning over there, I'm reading the labels to the fertilizer that I'm purchasing, and the bloom that I purchased was in the blue bottle, and it is not organic. So I did not put it on my potatoes or any of my corn and vegetables and things like that. I did use it because I had it, and I'm going to use it. I use it on my flowers. That's it. I'm not eating the flowers, even though you can eat certain flowers, but I'm not eating them. So let's get to this amazing thing. I don't know, you guys can see the scale. Okay, so it is, let me stop moving, 7 pounds right there, 7 pounds of potatoes, rustic potatoes. And this is 5 pounds. 5 pounds, 10.39 ounces. Okay, they're all in. I'm not going to weigh the little small ones like this. So there we go. This is 4 pounds. Also, I wanted to just show you guys, someone had asked on Wind Down Wednesdays, and that's every Wednesdays at 7 p.m. and the chat is 7 p.m. on Mondays now, not Saturdays. I got some and they have the spelling bee on there, and like a dyslexic chick like me, right? was up there where they had the word preparedness. It's preparedness. I was like, that's a word? Anywho, it's a lot of hoop, it's a lot of fun. You should definitely check it out and go support those channels as well. So this is Blanca pepper. It's a hot pepper. I didn't know it was a hot pepper. All right, it's a hot pepper. We're gonna do something with it. I should have read. But yeah, so I got a jalapeno. This is the really big one. This year I want to do jalapeno peppers, and I need to do some more, can some more cowboy candy. Have y'all ever had cowboy candy? Cowboy candy with mixed with some cream cheese. Oh yes, And this is a Black Beauty. You guys saw me yesterday, the video. I was like, yeah, well, it was yesterday. I don't know when you're going to see it. But that video, you should have seen it already. That video, I was planting out the ones that I did. And, you know, I went and got some Black Beauty. But what I picked up was, look at that. There's 3 in here. And that's a win that I'm celebrating. 3 of these are in here, and they're good size. I'm going to give them some fish fertilizer, because I don't know what Bonnie gave them, but I'm going to give them some fish fertilizer. And I got some, this is the golden zucchini, the easy pick, and there were 3 in there. I ripped off this leaf right here, but it'll be all right. They're ready to come out. You see all them roots in there. There's 3. That's a win. Amen. And this is the long, and I plant these also, the long eggplant. And there were 2. So I got 2. The wins. Celebrate the wins. These are some more whole stratifying that I did. But that's it for today. I want to thank you for coming along, and I will see you guys next time in the garden. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.